Morning, December 16th, 2020, Wednesday. This is Paul Stevens, My Jeep, video number 10. And today, I'm going to be rechecking some issues that I've already been over a couple of times. I was working on my lights. Everything works except my left turn signal. And today what I'll be doing is I'm going to pull the relay, the flasher relay, and put the original one back in, check my connections, and check all the fuses. And anyway, there's the new turn signal switch. It's been installed already. And the new relay is in there also, but I still have a turn signal problem. There's the old turn signal switch, and it may still be good. Just keep it for a spare part. And this is the old relay. I pulled it on 12-1 and put the new one in. And here's a short checklist that I'll be going over. And here's the left turn signal connector, and I'm not sure if there's any problems with any of these pins. I've checked it several times and I haven't found a problem. And here in the tail light, here's the plug, and it seems to be fine. And the lights are all new, and I'm sure that I got them in place properly. Anyway, I'm going to get to it, and I believe that's the new relay. And it came from China, and that's probably what the problem is. Anyway, I'm going to put the old relay back in and see what happens.
All right, I think we got it beat now. Okay, there's my right turn signal. Low beams are on. Okay, right rear. Okay, left turn signal on. Hit the brakes. Okay, got all three brake lights. Okay, sweetheart, get in it, hold the brake, and put the main thing in reverse, like see the backup light. Okay, got backup lights. All right, high beam is the only thing. Because I got the brake on. I got the, okay, hit the high, you know how to do the high beams, you know. Let me do them a couple of times. Now we're going to check high beam. Low beam, high beam. Okay, we'll hit it again. Okay, good to go. You're not going to believe this. I took the old flasher relay back in. I took the new one out, put the old one back in, and everything worked. I don't understand. That's okay. Stevens out. Well, I made a little progress today. Okay, there's my flashers and running lights. And like I showed you before, I do have brake lights and backup lights. And the main thing, what I didn't have earlier was my left blinker. Now it's working. That's the flashers. That's the left blinker. Let's make sure. Much as I've worked on this, still got some doubts, but it's working. Spent a lot of time on this stuff. I bought a new relay, put it in, a new turn signal switch, I put it in, and everything worked except the left blinker. I didn't know what to do, so I put the old relay back in, and everything worked, including the left blinker. So I'm not sure. I guess the new relay was bad. So I don't know. Anyway, I'm happy right now. I'll just have some spare parts. Stevens out for now. Good morning, Paul Stevens, my Jeep update for Thursday morning, December 17th, 2020. Well, we got another one of those Florida rainy days. Got a cold front moving in. Probably be the second time this year so far that we'll be down in the high 30s, which is very cold here in Florida. But anyway, light rain falling right now, so I had planned on doing some more odds and ends on the Jeep. Right now I'm going to hold off, see if we get a break. Because I think the rain's going to get heavier later. It's just light rain right now. But anyway, I got a couple of issues that I'm still working on. The cooling fan I need to pull back out. I want to put a connector on it. It's just spliced together with twist-ons, and I don't like that. That's not a permanent fix. And I've got a set of new plugs coming. I'm planning on, I have no idea how long those plugs have been in this 200,000 mile plus Jeep, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace those. But anyway, I've got a lot of interior things to do too. My goal right now is just to get this thing roadworthy so I can get it out and see if it's going to be, analyze it, see if it's going to be worth putting additional money into. And if not, I'm just going to get rid of it, sell it for what I can get out of it, and I'll find me another one. And this is just a short update. Paul Stevens out for now. Good morning, this is Paul Stevens, my Jeep, video number 10, Sunday, December 20th, 2020. And today I'm just working on, again, some odds and ends, some particularly electrical issues that I've run into, I've been putting off. I had trouble, which is evidently a common problem with these Jeeps, power door locks and power windows not working. I got the power windows to work, but my power locks are intermittent. And right now none of them are working. So what I'm looking into, I'm checking before I start messing with anything else. These wires that run through here, I won't be moving this boot and checking for any wires that might have breaks in them or come loose, wore out, whatever. I've already been working on the other side over there, and I haven't really done anything but just move them around
tells me I've got a loose connection somewhere because my windows all started working. Right here. I cut the boot because I was having problems with it, and what I'll do is when and if I get that repaired, I'll wrap the boot back around it and tape it. I might even replace this wiring harness here. So anyway, that's what I'm working on today. I'm waiting on parts for other things. I'm going to change out the plugs next week. And I've got some other issues. I've already talked about these before. I've got a leak in the headliner. Excuse me, not the headliner, the sunroof. And the sunroof doesn't work. I need to pull the console down and check the switch. I've already checked all the fuses, relays and everything, and I don't think there's a problem there, so it may be the switch. But I think the tubes in the drain system are probably clogged up. I found that to be a common issue on these things, so I will be pulling the headliner down and or back, where I can get to them, and either cleaning them out or replacing. Anyway, and just a review from past videos, I've gone over it before when I was putting the lift gate on. This thing was in an accident and has left rear quarter panel damage, and it looks like it was not only pushed in a little bit but shoved forward, which got slightly up underneath this door here, and I haven't been able to get this door open. I haven't really worked on it yet because I'm trying to get this thing where I can get it out on the road just to analyze it more. But that's something else I'll be working on. Now this door, nothing works in it. The door locks or the window. I think it was damaged maybe in the accident. But anyway, that's future projects. Okay, well that's the update for right now. If I make any headway on these wires, I'll make another update for video 10. Paul Stevens out.